Why the blower motor in an older furnace runs only at specific temperature points comes down to how the fan limit control is designed to modulate blower operation for safety and efficiency. The fan limit control measures plenum temperature and switches the blower on and off at set points to move heat without short cycling the blower or sending cold air. Typically, a factory setup will have the blower come on at around 120 degrees Fahrenheit and shut off near 85 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit to balance heat transfer and comfort. To verify this, start by locating the fan limit assembly on the furnace plenum and note the labeled set points. Then run the system through a heat cycle and watch how the temperature changes compared to the control markings. If the blower runs late or not at all, check for fouled burners or restricted airflow that slow temperature rise and fool the control into delayed switching. For a precise adjustment, power down the furnace. Loosen the retaining screws and move the on and off adjustable cams in small increments while monitoring a thermometer in the plenum during a controlled cycle. Only adjust within manufacturer specifications and tighten carefully. If the control shows erratic behavior or the bimetal element appears corroded, replace the limit control with a compatible unit rated for the same temperature set points to restore repeatable operation. Common mistakes are misreading the control set points because people assume the printed numbers match actual temperatures. Verify with a thermometer and recalibrate or replace the control if readings are off. Another issue is ignoring airflow restrictions like dirty filters or closed vents, which prevent the plenum from reaching the on-set point. Solve this by cleaning filters, opening supply and return pathways, and checking return duct seals. A third frequent problem is attempting large set point changes to force different behavior, which can cause short cycling or overheating. Instead, make modest adjustments, test over several cycles, and if you need a substantially different profile, consider upgrading controls or the blower motor to a system designed for variable speed performance. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors suited to legacy furnace work and provides a space where contractors can find paid projects relevant to their skills. We maintain a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips on settings, troubleshooting, and compatible replacement parts.